Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to select all unread emails in Gmail. Friends, due to some reason if you want to select all unread emails in Gmail, then you simply need to open your web browser. Now here open your Gmail account. Now in your Gmail account you need to search for is colon unread and press enter. Now it will show all the unread emails. It may be in hundreds or in thousands. Now to select all the emails to give any kind of command, you simply need to click here. Now it will select all the emails on the first page. Like you can see in my case it is showing 100 emails on this page are selected. Now to select all the emails, it may be 500 emails, it may be thousands of emails, then you need to click select all message that match this search. Now it has selected all the emails which are unread. So now you can give any command, like you can archive these emails, or you can delete these emails, or you can give any more commands. So friends, like this you can very easily select all unread emails in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.